Jasmine. I wanted to share with you guys my new saddlebags for my Kawasaki Vulcan 650 motorcycle. These are from Viking bags and they're made from leather and they're water resistant. I've been wanting saddlebags to take more long distance trips with my motorcycle and these have been so perfect. I love the lockable feature because you can feel really safe and secure parking your bike when you're out and about, and there's so much room in here. This used to be my riding backpack when I used to go out places, and now I'm so happy to upgrade it to the Viking bags and I have way more room. Let's see if I can fit this in there. I got a hoodie in here, water bottle, my riding gloves, and my old riding backpack all fit in there. If you guys need saddlebags for your bike to match your aesthetic, I totally recommend Viking bags. Definitely go check them out if you guys are looking for a new pair of saddlebags for your motorcycle.